Hey girl, hey! So it's Lauren Simone. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. Over the last few weeks, I've done a lot more thrifting than I normally do because I thrift on the regular anyways. But since I live in the Bay Area, not all of the thrift stores have been open. But since they've been open, I've been in there like swimwear, let me tell y'all. So yeah, so I'm just going to share a few of the pieces. Well, not, it's more than a few, but the pieces that I got with you all. And I did a couple of videos on my TikTok, and some of the pieces from my outfits were thrifted, and I got a few comments asking me to do a thrift haul. So here we are. If this is, something you want to watch, then keep watching. Okay, so let's just go ahead and start off with the accessories because it's like the least amount of things that I bought. So, oops. Let me get it together. So I bought this cute little Coach baguette. It's super cute. I got it at this Goodwill boutique and in San Francisco, and it was $15, which seems like a lot, but it's a vintage Coach and it's like a boutique store. So I mean, it's kind of obvious that the prices are going to be a little bit more expensive just because that specific store, they sell a lot of like designer and name brands. So you can go in there and you can find like Louis bags, Gucci, and things like that. And I'll also make sure I'll link the store location down below, just in case you guys are in the Bay Area or are gonna visit. You guys can go check it out if you're interested in more vintage designer. But yeah, super cute. And the crazy thing is my dad would always get us like mini Coach bags like this for Christmas when I was younger, or for my birthday, one of the two. And yeah, I threw them all away. Now I wish I had them, but yeah, here we are. Okay. So now I have this, it's like bent out of shape a little bit, but I mean, like once you pop, sis open, I'm probably gonna like stuff her with something so she can gain that shape back. But come on now, y'all can't tell me this is not bomb. And I got this for $5.49 at the Goodwill. And yeah, it's just like cute, like, okay, but y'all get the vibe. It's cute. Okay, next we have this candy wrapper bag. Now, when I tell y'all I have been looking on Depop for this bag or for a bag similar, I have been searching. And they have some, but they'd just be taxing for them. Like, girl, I'm not about to pay $40 for no mini bag. Like, I'm just not going to do it. I'll figure out how to make a candy wrapper bag myself before I do that. But yeah, so I got this from the Goodwill as well. And listen, y'all, so when I walked in, the first place I always go to is the bags, like off top. I always go to the bags. And I just walk in. Well, I walk through the shoes, and I'm just looking at the shoes, and then I walk to the bag, and they're both just sitting there. And then there was this Juicy Couture like velvet bag, but it looked like it had like glue stuck on it or something, like from a hot glue gun. And I had it in my cart all the way up into the register, and I was just like, and I didn't get it, which I should have gotten it for a cute little Y2K look, or maybe to sell if I didn't end up wearing it. But yeah, but they were all just there. It was just like, like it was like one of those moments. But anyways, it's super cute. I think I'm gonna maybe keep this on there and get like shorter leather straps, or figure out how to shorten these, because it's just a little too long for me. Like, it's giving me like grandma vibes, but it's super cute. Like, come on, y'all. Colors popping. Okay, and then I got this Ace hat from Miss Goodwill out here in San Francisco. Super cute. If you know me, I love my hats, and since I'm not technically like bald anymore, I can officially like wear hats. And then let me just set that up there. And then I got this cute little I'm drawing a blank. I can't remember what kind of hat it is, but it's super cute, and it's giving me like Clueless vibes. Like, yes. So we'll see if I end up styling this. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna try and style every piece of clothing I have rather than just letting it sit. But yeah, so that's all for the accessories. All right, y'all. So now we have the jacket. So this is the first jacket. I thrifted this from the same store that I got the Coach bag at, and this was $20, and it's from Zara, and it's brand new. It still has the tags on it actually, and they wanted $70 for it. But yeah, this is the back, and it comes down like maybe like this much below my butt. And I'm pretty tall, and this is a size small, I think. Oh, just kidding. It's a size large. Girl, I don't know what I was thinking talking about a small, because it definitely wouldn't have fit. But yeah, super cute like leather jackets are back in, like, and I even got a long one from Zara. It was on sale for $30. Like a trench one. It was giving me like Matrix vibes, like, you know, you pulling up to your booth house with your leather coat on. And anyways, yeah. So that's the first jacket. I only got 2. And then I got this plaid jacket as well. I have something similar to this, except it's black and white. And this is a, oh, I don't know if I said that one was $20, and then this one was $7. And I know $20 seems like a lot, but like it was at that boutique store. So $20 compared to $70, I think it's a steal. But anyway, so here's the other jacket. Super cute, like, yeah, I mean, it's super cute. If you know me, you know I love some plaid. I don't know what this looks like, but from looking down, it looked like it might be cute, but this is a lot of blue. But yeah. All right, now I know I look a complete mess, but I wasn't about to change my shirt just to try this on for y'all. So I got this corset top. Well, not corset top because it's not a top, it's just an actual corset. This was $5, and I got this from the Goodwill boutique as well. And my first time trying this on, like when I got home, let me tell you, I was struggling. First of all, I tried it on upside down and it just wasn't working. So then I flipped it around, and it works now. But you know, I can't see myself right now, but I'm pretty sure this is serving body, this is serving curves, this is serving, you know what I mean? Like, it's serving everything that we want. But yeah, 10 out of 10. This was $5, and I think it's super cute. And it laces up in the back. And I like tied it right here just so I like have an idea of where it fits me at, because obviously it's adjustable, but I just put those 2 little ties right there so I know, like, okay, that's where you're at. That's as tight as it's gonna get. Okay, top number 2 is this cute little flowy number. I got this from the Goodwill boutique as well, and this came with matching panties. It still has, well, I took the tags off, but it still had the tags on it and everything. And obviously it's a lingerie set, but you know, I'm good for wearing lingerie pieces out as real tops. But like, come on now, look at this. It's giving like fairy goddess sexiness, like all of that. But yeah, I can't really remember how much this was. I think it might have been like $7 or something like that, $6, $7 for that in the top. And one of the little bows fell off. I have it. I'm just gonna hand stitch it back on, but I think this is super cute. The third top I got was this BB sport shirt, and it has the ties on the side, so like you can cinch it and make it like as high as you want. I don't think I would wear it like this. I can't see what it looks like, but yeah, and it's super cute, and it's green. Like, I love green. And it says BB on the side. I think it's super cute, and I got this for, oh, it was like $2.49 or like $3, something like that. It doesn't necessarily go well with these jeans that, at least in my mind, I would wear like low-rise jeans. I can't tell what it looks like, but yeah. And then lastly, I thrifted this sleeveless t-shirt. And it's like actually made sleeveless. And I saw something like this on Pinterest, and I was looking in the thrift for just like an all black shirt so I could make one. But then I found this, and this was only like $1.98, so that was a plus. And I'm thinking about cropping it because I saw something similar. I don't know, I might just get another t-shirt so I can crop it and then have 2. But yeah, this is super, I think this is super cute. Give me very model off duty. All right, excuse my floor and my packages and my little bit of cords or whatever. But yeah, so I did get some stuff from Boohoo, and I don't know if you see the bag behind it, but I did get some stuff from Shein as well. So comment below if you want to see a haul for those. Okay, but first for the pants, I got these sweatpants, and they're from Gap. They're navy blue, and they have a white stripe on the side with baby blue lining, 2 pockets, a little zipper pocket in the back, and a drawstring in the front. These are a size large. Luckily they fit, because I don't know why I'd just be buying, well, I know I want them to be baggy, but sometimes, you know, if they don't have a string, they're not going to fit around your waist. And these were $4.99. Okay, second pair of pants. are these long johns. Now I wouldn't consider long johns pants. They're like sleepwear or whatever. And this is the second pair of long johns I thrifted. These are like $1. They're super comfortable. Like, I love buying stuff like this. But yeah, comment below you think it's possible to style long johns as actual pants. All right, I believe these are the third pair of pants. These are just some brown dress pants that I got at the men's section. They're super comfortable. I love pants that have pleats in the front. I think they're so cute. And I love brown on brown, and as y'all can see, these are $1.98, so $2. All right. So another pair of brown pants for the win. So these are some brown cargos, and I was at a different thrift, I think in Oakland, and they had some freaking, they're the most beautiful pair of brown Dickies cargos, but they were like way too big, so I didn't cop. But then I saw these, and I was literally searching for cargo pants, and I'm glad these kind of fit. They're a little bit short, so I'm gonna have to wear like a thicker shoe, not a flat shoe, so that way you can't see my ankle popping out and things. But I don't remember where I was going with this, but these were $5.99, and I've been looking for cargo pants, and I'm glad that I found them. And yeah, oh, I'm glad they fit because I tried them on over top of some thick like leggings at the store. But yeah, I think that's item number 5 or 4. 5, 4, I don't know. But anyways, that's the back. All right, so these are just some green like baggy pants that I bought, and you know, I got these for $10 now. $10, that's a lot of money like at this thrift store, so I know I must have been on something. Like, I was truly buzzing because what. But you know, I like the yellow stitching and everything like that, so they're cool. But yeah, low-key the thrifts in the Bay be taxing compared to Sacramento. I'm gonna just let y'all know that, like, just be taxed. But anyways, yeah, you know, I'm good for wearing like baggy pants, and these are long. They come down to my ankle. Even got a little bit of like, even like have a little bit of, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but they're long. This is the back. And yeah, not that I need another pair of green pants, but you know, variety. First of all, y'all, just look at my butt. Like, it looks like a square. Like, ladies, that's how you know your pants are too small, if your butt looks like an actual square, like it's squeezed in there. I'm really sad that these don't fit. Like, I mean, I could button them, but just look how unflattering that is. And I don't even know if I can get this zipper up, but I really do wish these fit because it's like super nice wash. And look at the length, like, look at the length. But yeah, these are $8.99. These gotta go. They might go in my Depop, or I might just give them to a friend. I don't know. But yeah, this is the one thing that didn't fit. And you know, like, we can't even try stuff on, so I was just playing it by ear. But yeah, these gotta go. All right. So whoever made these, you did your thing. You did your thug thizzle, because like, these are like